Hi everyone, today we will take a look at how to install NodeJS and check it through simple JavaScript. You have to go here and download NodeJS. As you can see, it's already here on my desktop. Then you just start it, run it, and install it by default. Then waiting until it's installed. First, let's create a shortcut for CMD. And when it's ready, we should specify the folder where we want to start it. So starting on my desktop, and we start it. First, check it by node-v command, and it shows you the version of Node.js. And then just simply create any JavaScript you want. For example, let's call it JS, and then we want something on our console like this: hello node. Then we start it, we run it, the same command, but with the file name, actually Node.js. You may omit this one, the extension, only this one. As you can see, everything is working. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.